Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you, make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. You give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. So thanks for joining me today. Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. So thank you kindly for sending me this lovely unit. It is the Glueless 4x4 closure, undetectable HD lace, bob wig, 100% human hair with pre-bleached knots. And y'all, I am loving this unit. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I love me some plop and goes, and this unit was literally a plop and go. Okay, so I did ask Luvme because there's two different options on there. There's the silky and yaki option. I did ask them to send me yaki, y'all. I don't feel like this is yaki. I think they sent me the silky version, but it's okay because we are versatile on this channel. You know, I'm a versatile baddie and I know how to make things work. Y'all know I love to switch things up on this channel. I do color, non-color, the chocolates, the longs, the shorts, you know. So yeah, switching it up is everything to me, okay? So I want to say this is the silky unit in 12 inches. It's a ready to go wig with uncompromising quality.
And for a really great price, y'all, this wig is only $150 on their website, and they always have a coupon code as well. If I have a coupon code for me, I will have it in the description box below. But it's 100% virgin human hair from one donor. It's a natural black color. Their circumference is 22.5 inches, so it's the standard medium size cap. It has adjustable straps back there as well. The lace is top Swiss and medium brown, and the lace area is 4x4 inches. But as you guys saw earlier, there was really not much for me to do. I am so happy because I love me some plop and goes, and this unit is beautiful. I'm loving the lanes, I'm loving the texture, I'm loving, you know, how easy it is to comb out. And it came with some like fun little, like, y'all, I ain't never get a hot comb with my unit ever. But I will say I didn't even need to use the hot comb. The only thing that I did was I used my flat iron and I went over it in the front, well, around the entire head just a little bit, but for the most part it was pretty much straight. It didn't have a smell as well. It does have some hair care instructions on the website on how to take care of your unit so it can last up to a year. And y'all, that is pretty much it. Like, seriously, this unit looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I did go in with my Fenty matchstick in the color, it's like a dark, deep dark color brown, and I went in with a brush along the hairline. Like, I didn't even go in underneath the lace. I just feel like I didn't need to, but I went in along the hairline with my contour stick just to make it dark. And y'all, that was it. Like, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. I did go in a little bit with my Fenty foundation. Honestly, I didn't even feel like it was necessary, but for the sake of the video, I did do it with a little brush in the middle. But that was it, y'all. That was it. Like, if you are a beginner friendly person and you're just trying to get into wigs, this is the perfect wig for you. It's easy. It's so easy. Just follow the steps in my video, and yes, that is it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you care, okay? And thanks for watching, and let me know what y'all think, okay? I will see you guys next time.